Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I make great pizza on the Kamado Joe using the pizza stone. What you'll need: Kamado Joe, pizza stone, the heat deflector, and the grill grates, and a pizza peel. I use this one. I recommend a thin metal one. Makes my life a whole lot easier. Just picking up the pizza, rotating it. I'll put a link in the description below. I can also share a recipe on how to make the dough. It's not my recipe, but I'll put a link down below. You can even buy dough from an Italian restaurant that makes pizza nearby. Sometimes they'll even sell you their sauce. If you don't have time to make dough, it's a great substitute. Here's the pizza I'm gonna make today. This is dough from my local Italian restaurant. Marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, keeping it simple. Next, I'll show you how to set up the Kamado Joe to cook pizza. So the grill is lit and it's at a stable, nice fire. We're gonna wait for it to get to 450 degrees and then I'll show you how I set it up. I'm gonna set them like this so I get heat up into the dome. The grill is gonna work like one big oven, so it's important that the whole thing is hot and that the heat isn't just contained at the bottom. And then we'll come back. Now that our heat's come up all throughout the dome, we're gonna close these, add the grate, add our pizza stone. We're gonna let that heat up and we'll be right back. In case you're wondering, we put the deflectors under the pizza stone because we don't want to overheat the pizza stone. All right, we're right at 670 degrees or so. Let's get this going. All right, so we're starting here. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it. Try and take this off at the same time and we'll check back in about 45 seconds. One more rotation here. We're gonna close this just for a little bit so we can get some heat coming from the top for about a minute. Now we'll open it back up and check on our pizza here. Look at that cheese. Another minute and we'll be good to go. Let's see what we got. It's looking beautiful. All right, and we're done. There you have it. Everything you need to know to make great pizza at home on the Kamado Joe. I'll catch you on the next one.